Oh, the looks that fly around the studio.
No good. No bueno.
Very good. Very bueno.
Oh, yeah. Muy bueno.
Muy, muy. We're 105.1 The Blaze. Still speaking English for now. Let's try not to mess that up, shall we?
Okay.
7:45, 15 minutes before 8 o'clock, and we have second row tickets to WWE to
Good
give
seats.
away.
Good
They're
seats.
Great seats. Not as good as tomorrow's front row.
Nope.
Don't sandbag though, because you might not get in tomorrow. Here's how it works. We're doing raw meat for raw seats all week long. Slapping Drew with some raw meat.
It's where my skill sets lie, really.
It really is. I
Yeah,
noticed
I'm
your
good at
skin
it.
looks very supple and smooth.
Yeah, there's all the protein. Oh, no.
Leaving it alone all the way.
Don't touch that
Hey,
one.
easy, man.
I'm not touching
Easy,
that one.
easy. So we hit him with meat. You guess the meat. If you guess correctly,
Hey, watch it
Who are the actors
there.
behind this campaign?
Yeah.
they love the way it works. So here's the deal. If you know what the meat is, 499-1051. Just be the first person through to correctly identify. And today's it's going to get harder as we get closer. Shut up!
Why?
Yeah, why?
Oh,
Why?
God.
This meat,
God.
This meat was wrong on
This is
so many levels.
And because of that, I think we're already giving away too much. So I'm just going to say you have to be specific.
Doesn't get any more specific than that.
Oh my God.
You're mighty.
You
Yeah,
can only
to be
see what she was
specific.
there.
You're mighty handy.
All right, are you ready?
Oh no, not at all.
I'm going to give you 3 whacks here.
Okay. Oh! Jin, stop it! And she was rubbing meat on my face.
That was great.
Oh my God, this is degrading.
It is. It's beautiful.
It's more.
This video is going up on the website
yay.
immediately
Oh.
after the show. 499-1051 if you happen to know what meat we slapped through with, and you have to be pretty specific today.
Jeez Louise.
499-1051. Row 2 seats to WWE for 1051 The Blaze. Oh, God.